Welcome back, guys. I just want to quickly say, if you've ever got a cold and you're thinking about using something like xylometazoline, which is basically a nasal decongestant, I would advise you to stay the hell away from them because you're likely to get something like sinusitis rebound, which is what I've got at the moment, and it sucks and it's incredibly painful. But anyway, let's get straight into this video because, yeah, I just thought I'd put a little public health and safety announcement out there. They totally suck. Anyway, so in this video, we're going to be covering the for in loop and the continue keyword. So basically, if you remember in the last video, we went over the break keyword, and continue is basically similar, but instead of ending the loop, it goes to the next iteration, and it will. The example that I'm going to show you will essentially only print out the odd numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to type it out and then I'll go through it line by line. So we're going to say for x in our range, and our range is going to be 0, ... 10. And we're going to say if x mod 2 is equal to 0, continue. And I'm going to hit save, and that's going to invoke Rust format. And then we're going to say print line. And we're just going to print out the result of x for every iteration. So, firstly, let's go ahead and run this. So we're going to say cargo run. And as you can see, we've got 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, which are, of course, odd numbers. So, let's go ahead and actually go through what the code does. Alright, so essentially what's actually happening here is we're saying if x mod 2 is equal to 0, so we're saying if we're getting a number which has a remainder of 0 when we do the modulus of 2, which is going to be an odd number in our series here, then what we're going to do is we're going to continue on and actually print it out. It's not that the code itself doesn't, it's not that the loop doesn't keep running. It's just that this specific iteration of the loop, we break out and we go back to the top and we go to the next iteration in the loop. And that's actually all that there is to it. In the next video, we're going to be going over loop labels, and then we're done with loops and we're moving straight on to vectors. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.